Hi there, Sadie Lavender, and this is Kate's Toy. Today we're gonna open Monopoly Frozen. So, are you ready? I'm excited for this. Okay, let's open it. Oh, where's it? The character? I forgot. So the character is Elsa, Kristoff, Sven, Olaf, Anna, and Hans. Came and brought this for once. Okay. This is the board, the money, and the houses. So we're the character. Okay, let's open it. Oh my. Now this is my help with my brother. Okay, let's start it. Okay, this is mine. This is mine. This is yours. And this is wait. This is mine. I have a character, so me is Elsa, and your Olaf. Okay, let's add it. Go. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. So you have a change for you. So now. Okay. And now, so you see. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you wanna. Thank you.